We'll guide you through how to choose between Namecheap and GoDaddy for your domain and hosting needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Namecheap's website and take a look at their domain registration services. Namecheap is known for its competitive pricing and user-friendly interface. Their Whois privacy protection is free for life, which is a huge plus if you're concerned about privacy. You can easily search for available domain names using their search bar and see the prices listed clearly, making it convenient to compare options. Now, head over to GoDaddy's website. GoDaddy tends to have a wider array of services, including web hosting, email hosting, and website builders, which might be more appealing if you're looking for an all-in-one solution. They often have promotional deals or discounts for the first year, so keep an eye out for those. However, their Whois privacy protection usually comes at an additional cost, so factor that into your decision. In terms of customer support, both companies offer 24/7 assistance, but GoDaddy has a more extensive support network with phone and chat options. If you're starting out and need straightforward domain registration with privacy included, Namecheap might be the way to go. If you need a more comprehensive service package, GoDaddy could be more beneficial. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize cost efficiency and privacy, or need a wider range of services under one roof. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.